Good morning, kids. Welcome back. Okie dokie. Now, like every day, we're gonna start looking at, very good, what day of the week is today? So, let's see. Do you think that today is Monday? Do you think it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday? What day of the week is it today? If yesterday was Tuesday, today is, very good, Wednesday. And do you know the date? Let's try to remember yesterday's date. Yesterday's date was the 2nd. So what number comes after 2? Very good, 3. So today is, look at the calendar, Wednesday, the 3rd of what month? Remember that we started a new month. June, very good. And what year? 2020, very good. So now you have to get a piece of paper and a marker and you've got to write down the date, okay? It's important that you write down Wednesday, the 3rd of June of 2020, okay? And now, once you have written down the date, we are gonna sing the song of the months of the year. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Alright, here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Alright, one more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Alright, that was great.
So now that we listen to the song, we are gonna see what's the weather like today. Are you ready to sing with me What's the Weather Like Today song? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Today is. Go and tell me what's the weather like today. And maybe today you can also write it on a piece of paper. You can write whether it's sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy. You've got it over here written, so you can write it down as well on a piece of paper, okay? And then after you write it down on a piece of paper, we're gonna have a look at how are you feeling today? So tell me, are you feeling today happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling calmed or angry? Or are you feeling surprised? Or perhaps you're feeling scared because you had a nightmare. I don't know. How are you feeling today? You've got to tell me, okay? And again, perhaps you can write it. You've got the letters over there, so you can rewind and have a look at the writing, and then you can also write it. Today, I'm feeling happy, for example, okay? And once you write that, what we are gonna do is that this week, we are gonna review the shapes. One day, Thursday, tomorrow, you're gonna have a look at the activities and you are gonna review the 2D shapes. What does Miss Anna mean for the 2D shapes? Those shapes are easier than the ones that we already have to know by the end of this year that we're going to start looking at on Friday. So today we are going to have a look at some shapes. They are going to appear over here and you have got to tell me the name of the shapes, okay? So for example, this shape over here, what is this? Very good, easy. It's a circle. It doesn't have any sides because it's round, so no sides. Now let's see what is this one over here. Very good. It's a square. And count the sides of the square. Very good. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides. And now let's see which shape is this one over here. Very good. It's a triangle. Very good. And how many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. And then we're also going to have a look at this one here. What is it? Very good. It's a rectangle. And how many sides does it have? Let's have a look. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides like the square, but it's longer, okay? And finally, we are going to have a look at a shape that it's a different one. What is this over here? Very good. It's a heart. Very good. Excellent. So now I'm going to ask you to tell me, I have gotten some things that I found in my house and you have got to tell me what are they, okay? What shape are they? So let's see. For example, I'm going to start easy. Look, this elephant over here, what is this? Very good. It's a square. Excellent. Very good. Now let's see, what is this over here? What is this shape? Very good. It's a rectangle. And now let's see this one over here. It's sort of a circle, or it can be a semicircle because it's cut over here. And now let's see. Look, this one here, it's a complete circle. Do you see? A circle. And now the last one. You're going to tell me what shape is this cheese that Miss Anna had in the fridge. What is this? Very good. It's a triangle. Do you see that it has 1, 2, and 3 sides? 3 sides is a triangle. And now that we have reviewed the shapes, we are going to have a look at the activities that we're going to do today. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Okay, so today, Wednesday the 3rd of June, we're going to do easy stuff. Are you ready? Let's see. Okay, so here you have got letters. Which one is this? Very good. Which one is this? This one? And this one? Excellent. So look, the only thing that you've got to do is that you've got to repeat them. So capital F, little f. So here you've got to draw capital F, small f. And here the same, capital small and here same, big S, small S. Okay, and here big L and small L, which is only a stick, thus. That Miss Anna says. And then here, inside the rectangles, you've got to draw things that start with the letters. So for example, what's this in English? Do you remember the name of this? That you turn it on in summer when it's really hot. It's called a fan. 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 Very good. Can you think of anything else that starts with letter F? Very good. For example, fish. Very good. And another one, frog, for example. Okay, so you can draw those, or a flower, whatever you want, but that starts with letter F. Now, this one here, you can draw your mum, for example, or you can write Monday, because Monday starts with letter okay? Or mouth, Mouth also starts with letter M. Okay? Now, this one here, S. From this letter, we know many words. For example, the is in the grass. Very good. Snake, snake. So you can draw a snake. You can draw a sun. You can draw, what else can you draw? The sea. Or what else? Stop. You can write stop. Okay? And finally, L of lollipop. For example, lollipop. Okay? Very good. Now, the next one is that you need to count. But first, let's remember the vocab. So over here, you have got, what are these? Carrots. What are these? Do you know the name of this in English? Starts with letter M. Mushrooms, mushrooms. And what are these? Tomatoes. And these? Very good, bananas. And what about these ones? Strawberries, excellent. And these ones are apples. And what about these ones? Pears, very good. And finally, lemons, very good. So you have got to count. Okay, so you've got to count the carrots. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And write number 7 here. Where do you see number 7? Very good. This one here that you also have to trace, okay? Now, let's see how many mushrooms you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have to draw here number 9, that it's this one here. Let's see how many tomatoes you see. 2, easy. So you have to write number 2. How many bananas? Count. 4, very good. So you have to draw number 4 inside the box. How many strawberries? Very good. 3. How many apples? Like Numicon. What is this shape? Very good. 5. And what is this shape in Numicon? Excellent. 6. And now let's count how many lemons. There are many. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have to write number 10 over here. Easy, right? Today, easy. That yesterday and the day before, we worked a lot. So that's all for today. I hope you had lots of fun like always. And remember that I'll see you tomorrow, Thursday. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.